So now we have already created one more view as a cancelled order. Very simple. Now if I copy this or if I run this again, so I have already created a cancelled order and we got a view here. I can show you. Select star from cancel orders. So it is taking as a view, and if I run this, so you get all the orders which is showing the status as a cancel. Okay, now if I run this again, if I'm creating a view again, for example, suppose I have created a view somewhere here and I want to create it again. So if I run it, so you'll get an error here. You can see error here, and it says that table cancelled order already exists. It already exists. So if you don't know like how many views you have created and which view you have created, and if you are running it, so in that case you can use a keyword here. Instead of just writing it create view, you can say that create or replace view. Create or replace view. So if the view is already created, it will leave as it is. It will not do any changes. So let me, yeah, it will replace with this new view name. So let me execute this. Now it has executed. Now you can see there is no change at all here. If you refresh also, there is no change at all because we have replaced the cancelled order with this name again. So whenever you are creating a view, if you are working on multiple views, if you are having tens of hundreds of views here, and if you don't know like which name you have created, have you created or not, then we can use create or replace view. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.